Yes, guys, I made it. Meron na akong MacBook for the longest time. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Woo! Another utang na naman sa credit card. Oh my god. Tapos another utang na naman sa credit card. It's worth it kasi matagal ko na namang ini-aim yun. So I actually choose MacBook because of creative reasons. So not for gaming kasi kung Windows, playing more games and being creative, diba? So yun ako. Excited na ako sa bagong laruan ko. Oh my god.